lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi water signs, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for November the 15th to November the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Pero kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating description box. Ano? There is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung amount per question, name, number for your reference, and the QR codes, no? So I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. So water signs, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo. Water signs. So parang ngayon, ang focus natin is more of success. No? Success may be more of pag-amin natin na we may not be, or this may not be the season, no, for our romance. But I want to turn things around na sana kahit papaano naman career, finances, no, or my goals in life, no, would be, sabihin natin, sumang-ayon sa akin. And I know, no, probably there's also some people here na water signs na tinatanong, I have everything that I wanted apart from yung sa puso, no, the matters of the heart. Bakit yung ibang tao na pagsasabay naman nila? Bakit yung ibang tao meron naman silang dalawang gano'n? It's not comparing yourself to other person, ha, but kumbaga tinatanong mo lang yung sa sarili mo, what's wrong with me, no? Yung iba naman siguro there's embrace na or acceptance nga na sinasabi ko na yeah, probably this is not the season for love for me, but that's okay, no? At least sana maging maganda itong parang dire-diretso, no, itong takbo ng aking career, no? May mga magagandang opportunities naman na dumadating, no? For a few numbers of you, baka meron din talagang hope na sana kahit konti, no, may nagpapakilig sa akin. Wag naman yung sa ihi na lang ako kinikilig, no? Ayan. Pero I feel like kung aalisin natin yung avenue, no, or yung part ng matters of the heart, I feel like you're very successful right now. Things are falling into places, no, again, without the romantic part, ha. You feel like merong mga signs sa universe na sinasabi sa akin that, or you know, universe are making its way, no, para makuha ko yung mga bagay. I feel like minsan nga wala tayong ginagawa, no. Good news are just coming left and right, no. Parang for a few numbers of you, there's also some satisfaction na rin, no? Nasa sinasabi nila, okay lang, no? Hindi naman ako nagugutom, no? Or hindi naman ako nahihirapan lately, no? I think probably if you're going to look at it in a different perspective, siguro pwede mong sabihin, at least kaya ko mag-enjoy, no? Isipin mo na lang na, again, hindi ko sinasabi ito, no, para pagtawanan yung sitwasyon ng iba, no? Pero at least, isipin mo na lang, this is the situation wherein you should probably, for you to feel good, no? Again, hindi para pagtawanan yung iba, it's for you to appreciate what is happening right now in your life, no? Pwedeng, you may not be, hindi katulad ng iba na nasa relasyon nga, pero meron namang problema when it comes to finances, no? May relasyon na hindi naman makalabas, no? Or makapag-date. May relasyon nga pero, or may asawa nga, no? Pero hindi naman nakakapag-provide, no? Si person. Well, at least for you, you don't want to be in that situation, but I doubt, no? Sometimes, ang pinakamatigas ang ulo dito when it comes to romance is the Pisces, no? Parang, okay lang kahit wala kaming makain. Hey girl, practicality. But then again, not all, no, ng Pisces kasi there are Pisces who's born in the February and the March. Ngayon, hindi ko nasasabihin kung sino yung matigas ang ulo doon, no? Pero hindi naman against sa lahat. Parang isipin mo na lang na itong sitwasyon na nangyayari sa'yo probably is nire-ready ka, no, ng universe na dadating din naman siya, no? At least for now, focused dahil pag dumating siya, at least medyo stable ka na sa ganitong part, no, ng iyong life. So what you're gonna be focusing on is the relationship, or at least, no, stable ka na dito, matututukan mong mabuti, no, itong relationship. Nandun na ba tayo agad sa ending? Kasi ang nakita ko agad dito is yung probability of yung lessons na pwede mong makuha. But then again, we have the 8 of Cups, the 4 of Cups, and the 10 of Cups. So, tayo talaga ang bumitaw, no? Mahal pa natin itong taong ito, pero tayo yung bumitaw. And that's actually rare for a Pisces, for a water signs, no, to let go of the person that they love, no. Meron din ditong disillusionment, no, leaving behind. So it felt like siguro kaya ganon din ang perception natin, no. Siguro tayo din mismo, we found out na kung tayo, 'di ba? Kung tayo talaga ang end game, tayo pa rin naman. Kumbaga wala na dito yung, ang aantayin na lang natin dito is the right time, no, the divine timing. So far, parang feeling ko ang ganda-ganda ni water sign dito kasi kahit kulitin siya, kahit the person bugged them, parang you're not my priority right now. So, hindi sa pagmamataas, hindi sa pagiging ganda-gandahan, no? Or pagmamaasim, ang tawag nga ng mga ating LGBTQIA+ community, no? I just found out, sabi dito ni water sign, na dadating ang panahon na ang romance, no, ay ibibigay sa akin ng kusa. Hindi ko na siya hanapin. And I think that I found the person, but it felt like we met on a different timeline. We met hindi handa ang isa. We met na hindi ito yung panahon para sa amin. And I know dadating yung panahon na yun. With the 4 of Cups, parang hindi naman sa pagiging matigas ang ulo or nagmamatigas nga, no? With the 8 of Swords, ikaw pa rin naman. With the 6, actually, I missed you. Yun ang sabi ni water sign. I missed you. I miss the things that we do. I miss your presence, no? Pero for now, I feel like what I need to focus on is other aspects of my life, which is career, finances, dream job, um, yeah, wealth, no? Hobby. Parang ang sakit naman isipin nun kung hobby. Kung ako na doon sa kabila, talaga sa hobby, pagpapalit mo ako. Um, we don't know kasi water signs are very spontaneous, no? And sometimes we do not know kung ano yung saltik nila, 'di ba? Oy, don't come for me, water sign ako, no? Kaya naintindihan ko. Sometimes may mga saltik yan na sandali kahapon ito yung sinasabi mo, ganito yung nararamdaman mo, ngayon kabaligtaran na agad. Well, welcome to the world of the sea, no? Of the ocean, the Six of Wands and the Sun. Parang alam ko na dadating at dadating ang panahon na magkakaroon ako ng relationship. Alam ko na dadating at dadating ang panahon na tayo pa din. Confident, ganda. Ang ganda mo, no? Or ang pogi mo for those lalaki, no? Ganon ka confident. Hindi ko alam kung paano mo nakuha to. And I think that this is innate dahil damang-dama mo naman yung eagerness ng person mo, no? So merong separation dito at alam mo kung ano yung gustong mangyari ni person pero sa'yo, wag muna. Hindi ngayon. With the Knave of Wands, the Three of Coins, and the Three of Swords. Sabihin natin, uy, I think this is the evolution of a water sign, no? You're so much evolved right now na parang aminin natin, no? Minsan nagiging nana tayo. Konting kibot, aray, iyak, no? We're too emotional. We're still emotional right now, pero ang nangingibabaw ngayon is the logic instead of the heart. I am very proud of those evolved water signs dahil for the longest time, no, water signs are known for being emotional. And sometimes, kinakalaban nila yung sarili nila. And sometimes, this becomes self-sabotage, di ba? This is becoming self-sabotage kasi alam naman nila, this was before, no? Alam nila yung gagawin, pero mas pinipili nila yung ikasasakit nila. Aminin nyo yan. Comment down, no? Alam nyo yan, na mas pinipili nyo I don't know, if this is innate for the water signs, na mas yung masochism, no? Yung sinasaktan yung sarili. Some people are enjoying like that. But now you're evolved na kailangan kong unahin, no? Yung nasa isip, yung sinasabi ng isip, with a Knight of Swords and a Queen of Coins. Maybe we're too confident na nandyan lang talaga yung tao. Someday, one day, kaya kong balikan. Mababalikan ko. And alam kong tatanggapin. I think that these thought, no, hindi para pag-antayin lang yung tao, hindi para gamitin yung tao na may fallback naman ako, no? Or para maglandi ako sa iba kasi alam ko nandiyan naman yung tao. No, it's not that. With the Four of Swords and the High Priestess, I think that this is one of, na kasi kapag bumitaw or characteristics of a water sign, di ko matuloy-tuloy, na kapag bumitaw kasi si water signs, no, which means either you're truly gone, I close the door, goodbye, no, or kailangan ko lang mag-recharge, no. I feel like this aspect of my life was falling down because of you, no. Sabihin na natin wala na tayo ditong artihan pa. Dahil sa'yo, medyo nasira itong part ng relationship ko. Okay lang bang diyan ka lang muna, ayusin ko to? No, I think that that's the main energy of this water signs, no, reading. Again, para dun sa mga cross watchers, so ngiti dahil kayo pa rin naman, no. Um, at least sa'yo siya uuwi. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin, but not just now, no? Huwag nating galgalin dahil, kumbaga, nandun yung pag-asa eh. The more na kukulitin mo tong mga water signs na to, baka yung konting pag-asa na yon itapon na nila, no? So this is the reading. Let's check the zodiac signs of the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, buong-buo yung water signs, no? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Did I just say Leo? Yeah. So yeah, this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, by all means, you're very much welcome. Doon po yun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. And kung gusto nyo pong sumali, no, again, sa ating, kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Pero, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. All you just have to do is to write down those questions. Of course, may bayad po yun. Nandun din po sa baba ng question form yung name, number, and reference, no QR codes. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye!